Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a list of your open invoices on QuickBooks. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find a list of your open invoices on QuickBooks just to make sure everything's been settled correctly. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then find where it says Reports under the main menu and then click on Standard Reports. So on this page here, scroll down and under where it says Who Owes You, you should be able to click on Open Invoices, and then it's going to show you a list of open invoices that you have left remaining on QuickBooks. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find a list of open invoices on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video.